So this is the first time that I'm gonna play the new League of Legends. What's it called? One for All, where we have 5 of the same champion against 5 of another same champion. Every day I'm shuffling. Oh,
No.
okay. Blitzcrank, 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 Blitzcrank. Definitely not Blitzcrank.
Okay.
Ezreal the woman?
Ezreal is cool. We look like we're gonna try.
How do you do this? Oh, I see. Oh my goodness! We're so fabulous!
Okay, so you know how we're gonna win this game?
How?
We're gonna focus the Jinx.
Why am I yellow?
We're gonna do that when you're on the way.
Whoops.
Wow.
Are you sure we shouldn't go mid? Oh, it's a Haruhi dance.
Ah, Vikers. She shot you right in the face. Oh yeah, my potion has become cookies.
Your health is going down.
No, it's not. I have a cookie. I bought a ton of cookies. Yeah, look how low.
You have the most health.
That's because I ran away and used all my cookies. Try and pull it if you can.
Nope.
Who needs a nap? What are you
Do
talking about?
No. How come? I don't understand his E. That's right. Why are you bigger than me? Oh, okay.
Who else has?
Me. I don't know how it works.
There we go.
Whee!
Bye, Crystal. Could you run 5 Jinx ults to the face? Oh my god, I took a Jinx ult to the face.
You're gonna have
Oh
one.
my god! That was the best lasers I've ever seen in my life.
I know his ult. That's what happened.
Didn't need that.
What the heck? Why is a wraith there? That's
Nipple.
Pooh.
Yeah,
Hey.
it's okay.
Ah! Why am my laser going the other way? Oh my
What
goodness.
the heck? Crystal.
The jukes. Oh darn it. Go team, go Victor. How do you spell his name?
V-I-K-T.
Viktor.
Stop
Who's
it.
the best in this car?
Jukes.
Yeah.
They're all dead, so keep going.
It's okay.
Our whole team is Lucian. What the heck is that ult?
Why did he use his ult? My laser is so good. Oh, he left. Ah!
You must be challengered.
I hate this.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, GG.
Oh!
Oh, go
Yeah! Oh, I hit a minion.
Maybe I shouldn't have wasted all my skills, because I thought we won.
You belong in a museum. Oh, darn it, minion in the way. Ah!
Oh, we have an Ninja Victor going up bot lane. Let's go, Team Ezreal.
Yeah, shake those hips.
You dead.
Ah!
Oh, that was fast.
That's the guy we fed. Well, that's too far. Yeah, hit some. I killed one. I think.
I'm gonna die.